Starting from here, I'll explain. So this is where price breaks the structure. Now, since we marked the 3 p.m. high and low candle from week to week, now the following thing is we look for an engulfing candle afterward the break of structure, which is now waiting for a reversal because now liquidity has been taken based on the break of structure. So now watch as I mark the what you call this, the bearish engulfing candle. As you can see, the rejection on that bearish engulfing candle. As you can see, just as I pointed it, that's the engulfing candle, the first engulfing candle, and where the candle rejects it, there's a confirmation of entry. If the candle doesn't reject the engulfing, you can call it supply, you can call it an order block, you can call it whatever, as long as you're gonna take the setup, the bearish engulfing candle as indicated. Now this will show you how I entered, and that's all. Bear with me guys, this is my first YouTube channel, so bear with me. As I said on my live video, it's not about the content, it's about the trading, the setup. Do you get the vision? Never mind the lagging and what. And please like and subscribe, comment something just to show that I'm doing impact, because I'm also a beginner. If you're a beginner too, drop a comment, bruh or girl, so we can all even now I'm gonna do a flipping challenge, but that will be revealed on the next video or YouTube short. Now let's see. I would have entered there based on the rejection, the current candle that's rejecting there. That's where I would have entered. Not even would. I did enter there. I will show you a screen recording of that. There it will pop like this. And yeah, let's continue watching the rest of the video. And if you enter there, as you can see, the 3 p.m. low, sorry for the background noise. As you can see, the 3 p.m. low will be your take profit. If the price action took out the high, then your TP is the low. If the price took out the low, then your TP is the high. So in this CRT, I'm using 3 strategies, but I don't want to reveal them all because it's gonna take too long to explain them. So I'll do like bits by bits by bits. It's not my strategy, it's strategies that I took from mentors, that people that mentored me, some YouTube videos, all that. As you can see now, I'm going to open a trade on TradingView. As I said, I'm backtesting. This is a backtesting session, and this is episode 1. I'll be doing more probably after 2 days. Stop loss above the week of the candle that was engulfed. Take profit, as you can see, on the previous low, which is 3 p.m. low. Now let's see what happens. Please do count the minutes on the candlesticks and see in how many minutes you hit take profit. That's how quick take profit gets it. Boom, take profit hit. As you can see, that's probably like 10 minutes or even less, and take profit is already hit. That's how powerful the strategy happens. And this happens almost every day, but there's usually fake outs. But I will explain that further in the next video.